You're telling me I can get a rich, bakery-style chocolate cheesecake with zero oven time? Yep, today I'm showing you a chocolate no-bake cheesecake that slices clean, tastes insanely chocolatey, and is honestly hard to mess up if you follow a few key texture cues. Here's the lineup: full-fat cream cheese, cold heavy cream, cocoa powder, powdered sugar, vanilla, a pinch of salt, and melted semi-sweet chocolate. For the crust, chocolate sandwich cookies and butter. Simple ingredients, but the method is what makes it set up perfectly. First up, the crust. Blitz the cookies into fine crumbs. You want them pretty even so the crust packs tight and doesn't crumble when you slice. Mix the crumbs with melted butter until it looks like damp sand. Then press it down firmly. This is the difference between a clean slice and a messy one. Pop the crust in the fridge while we make the filling. Now whip cold heavy cream to firm peaks. That means when you lift the beaters, the peak stands up and holds its shape. Don't take it too far or it'll turn grainy. Stop as soon as it looks stable. In a separate bowl, beat softened cream cheese until it's totally smooth. This step matters. If you leave lumps here, they don't magically disappear later. Add powdered sugar, cocoa, vanilla, and a pinch of salt. Then pour in melted chocolate, but make sure it's cool to lukewarm. If it's too hot, it can loosen the filling and mess with the final set. Now fold in the whipped cream into additions. Folding, not beating, keeps all that air in the mixture, so your cheesecake turns out light, creamy, and sliceable instead of dense. Spin the filling onto the crust and smooth the top. Want to make it extra? Add a quick ganache layer, just chocolate and warm cream, then chill it again until it's set. Refrigerate at least 6 hours overnight is even better than slice with a hot knife for those perfect edges. For the full written recipe, exact amounts, and troubleshooting tips, check the link in the first pinned comment or head to nobakedessertslab.com. If you try it, tell me how it turned out.